guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hello, welcome. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications if you haven't yet. And if you are an OG to the channel, thank you for tuning in. Now, today I have a few items that I want to show you in this video. I thought to just put them all together in one. That way I don't have to be recording so many videos. And I am so behind on my schedule because down here I have a pile of packages that I've had for weeks. So without any more talking, I'm going to show you a couple of items. These are actually the ones that I got the most recent. There's a couple items that came from Stockx, there's others that came from Dhgate, and there's another item that came from H&M. I know, very random stores. So we're gonna start with the first one that I have right here. Alrighty, so I'm gonna start with the H&M package. The other day I was checking their sales section, and I don't know if you guys rock with H&M. I actually do. The crew neck that I'm wearing right now is from H&M. They do have some, cool things, and I do suggest that you check them from time to time if you guys don't mind the brand. So what I have here is a crew neck, and then everything else in here I won't show because that's just underwear. So right here we have a split crew neck in a size medium. I hope it doesn't fit me massive because this one I actually found it on the women's sales section. So let's go ahead and see. I actually like it. Oh yeah, medium fits perfect. So as you guys can see, we have this super cool crew neck. It just has, my boy, what is all of this? This is a lot to take in. I believe this is Toronto, and then ISAS. Is this Kansas City? I think it's Kansas City. I might be so wrong. Do not give me hate in the comments, okay? Just have a little bit of mercy, okay? If I'll correct myself while I edit this video if I end up putting this thing so wrong. But anyways, what I liked about the crew neck was mainly the colors. As you guys know, the creams and like beige, tans, browns, all those colors are trending right now. So I just thought this crew neck was a must have in my collection. Now I'll show you right here, just for last time, a few of the details. So it has this like crack print effect on the letters, which I actually like. It just looks aged. And it's super soft. It's not thick, so I don't think this is going to keep me warm at all. But regardless, this is just a layering piece for me. So this is item number one. If you guys are interested in buying this one, I will be linking it down below if it's still available. Now, the second thing that I have, which I think you guys will love a lot, this one right here came from Dhgate. This is a different seller, and I believe this is my second pair of essential sweatpants. Alrighty, hopefully you guys don't hear the vacuum noise, but my mom is vacuuming downstairs. So anyways, I actually really like the packaging that they included. Like the bag, I'm not throwing it away at all because it's like this super cool tan essentials bag. So you can see right there the logo, and here at the bottom you can see, my apologies, you can see it's a size small. So these right here, the seller told me that they were US sizing, so I decided to buy a size small, so hopefully it doesn't fit me too small, but we'll see. And I decided to buy this beautiful like camel color. Oh my gosh, this thing is, oh my god, this is just so pretty. Holy god. And this will definitely fit me. And I promise you guys I'm gonna bring more of the essential reviews if you guys want to, of course. But I actually have my eye in a different color. I was waiting for this one to arrive for me to buy more. So I don't ever recommend for you guys to buy a bunch of items from one single seller if you haven't bought from them before, unless you watch videos like the one I'm making, then you will kind of know what you're getting. But the way I do it is I browse through the Dhgate and, you know, I find the sellers and kind of review what people say when they get their items, like the review section. I go to it and then, you know, read through and then do my judgment. So for this one, I wasn't sure if the size small would fit me, and now that I have it in my hand, I know it will. So I am 100% sure of buying more from this seller as long as the link is still active. So if you do guys have any further questions, you already know you have to DM me on my Instagram. Now, moving on, here we have the tag. You can see it says Central's Fear of God. And then in the back we don't have it. Right here you can see we have the Essentials logo. Very, very nice. And then, of course, on the leg at the bottom we have this Essentials logo as well. And let me see the tag right here. I'll show you the tags as well. Got size small. Super nice. Again, the quality, I give it a 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10. Just A+ in my opinion. So right here we actually got a cozy fit right here. So now last item of the video. You know what, I actually just put a fit together because these shoes, you will see them right now, go perfect with the crew neck that I just showed you. So right here we have a pair of Nike Dunk High white sail gum mid brown. These right here came from Stockx. I went ahead and placed a bid. This is another of those Nike Dunk Highs that are under $200 that I have decided to place bids on, and I happen to win them. So if you didn't see my last video, I placed a bid on this shoe right here. This is the Moon Fossil Nike Dunk. This one right here was about 180 shipped, but my bid was actually 145. For this one I can't remember, but the receipt is inside. So go ahead and check it out. Alrighty, let's see. Oh yes, oh yes. Alright, hold on, the order is right here. Alrighty, so as you can see, my bid was for $112, and after shipping and taxes, I ended up paying $143.34. Listen, y'all, if you don't listen to me and take advantage of these low prices on these kind of dunks, maybe not this specific color, but check the Nike Dunk High sections on Stockx. Trust me, the prices are super low in my opinion. So you better take advantage while it lasts, because out of nowhere, next thing we know, all these dunks are gonna be over 200 bucks, which I hope it doesn't happen. So let me take them out really quickly. And again, these shoes I think would go perfect with the outfit that I just unboxed. I wasn't trying to put an outfit together, okay, I promise. I just grabbed these packages because they were the first ones in the pile that I have down here. Alrighty, so oh, that's new. Okay. Huh. So we have the Stockx tag right here, and this is the first time that I see a pair with a tag like this. So yeah, they smell so good. They smell like, you know, when you get inside a brand new car, that's what they smell like. They smell good. Super nice. Oh my lord. So let me show you the shoe right here. Like, tell me what you think about this colorway. In my opinion, it is super clean. I love me some shoes that have gum bottoms. I believe they're just the best color bottoms that there are for shoes. So I'm very happy that I was able to get these. I was actually trying to get the regular Nike Dunk, not the highs, but the lows. But the lows are going for a little bit more, so I just went ahead and placed a bid on the highs. But they are so beautiful. I don't know about y'all, but I'm very happy that I have these here. And the only thing I don't like that much are the laces. But that isn't a problem because I actually do have a new pair of laces on the way. So I did get some cream laces for this pair in the moonful style ones. I know I keep saying it wrong for sure, but I got them from Laced Up, so whenever I get those laces, I'll swap them out, and you will most likely see those these shoes and the other ones with the cream laces on my Instagram. So again, if you want to just keep up with my life, keep up with the reels that I make on how to style and just behind the scenes of my life and my YouTube channel, Instagram is the way to go. Not mentioning that I do also post on fire outfit photos, so that's just a plus. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am telling you, this right here is an entire fit. I didn't mean to make an outfit out of this unboxing, but I actually did, so it's pretty good. I do have a couple more videos on the way, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and let me know down below what you guys thought of today's review. Also, let me know what other kind of videos you would like to see on this channel. So without any more talking, I will catch you guys in the next upload schedule. Peace.